Hey everybody, and welcome back to Raccoon's Corner. Today our topic will be Linux distros. Now, before I start, I'm going to tell you which one we're going to be talking about here. The one that we're going to be talking about is Ubuntu, or Ubuntu, or whatever. Now, there are many other ones, such as Fedora, CentOS, Kubuntu, but I'm just going to go into general Ubuntu. It is a free computer operating system available in ISO format. It's based on Debian GNU/Linux as well. It's a Linux, as you can tell. And the 30th of October, a new Ubuntu version was released. I think it was version 8.10. Now, the installation of Ubuntu is like you use a live CD. I think you can use Diamond tools to boot up the ISO. And one thing that I like about Ubuntu is you can install it within Windows. So when you restart your computer, it'll ask you to select which operating system you want to boot up into. You can start up in Windows or Ubuntu. Now, when you install it inside Windows, you will be asked to set the space they want Ubuntu to take, like the hard drive of Ubuntu, and it will take away the space from your hard drive in Windows, and it'll put it on Ubuntu. And I think Ubuntu, based on my experience, I couldn't connect to the internet because of my router, so I switched to Kubuntu, and it works just fine. Now, the main goal of Ubuntu was to have a stable operating system, and it is pretty stable. There's a program called Windows Vine, I think, Vine, or whatever. You can run .exe files on it. That's files that's for Windows. And I don't think you can get any viruses on Ubuntu because it's pretty secure. And Ubuntu and Kubuntu can be booted in a flash drive. I think if your computer just can support that. Or you can also install Ubuntu just as your main hard drive, and it comes with Firefox. I'm going to get a picture here of the login screen of Ubuntu. So I'm going to go get a picture right now. So give me about a second. I know I can get one up. I just got to go into my folder, and I'll show you the login screen interface of it. Almost there. But yeah, it has many different features, which I like. And here we go. This is a login screen. The login screen. That is the Ubuntu login screen right there. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you the main interface of Ubuntu. That is the main interface. Hold on. That is the main interface. It's a pretty basic operating system. It uses terminal, just like any Linux operating systems. But I like it. Now, I mean, you can also download it via a torrent or something. I mean, it's an ISO format, so it'll take a while to download. And then you would use a program to make a bootable CD or something. If you wanted to boot it up in a CD, and just try it out first. Before you install it, you can burn it onto a CD and then boot your hard drive up from the CD, and you can test it out and see if you like it. And that's something I like about it. Now, I'm going to tell you the system requirements of Ubuntu. Your processor, which is required. You need a 300 MHz, which is an x86, and at least 64 megabytes free. And you need at least 4 gigabyte hard drive. And you at least need a VGA video card. GeForce works as well. Um, if you're lucky, I can probably pull up what the terminal looks like. Oh, you're in luck. I can pull it up. But yeah, also, Ubuntu is also, I think a different person made Kubuntu, I think. It's made by, Canonshale, I think, Ltd slash Ubuntu Foundation. It's a multi-language thing. And Genome is the interface. So it's your pretty basic Linux. Also here, I guess, is the terminal, which will be on the screen in about a minute. That is the screen. And I went into the main features of Ubuntu. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Raccoon's Corner. I do have a new website. It is available at www.raccoonscorner.co.nr. Thanks for watching.